Would you do this deal? We have Louisa County, Virginia, 5 acres, road access on 2 sides, HOA just for road maintenance and clearing, $60 a year. That's good. No wheels on all dwellings require a foundation. I understand. Purchase price, $26,000.
Good. This looks really good, actually. I don't know how severe this is. We'll see in a minute.
Doesn't look like that bad at all. Look what those guys did over there.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is actually really cool.
These houses look expensive.
Oh.
Data. West adjacent, no data.
Built in 2002, 2005. I mean, these are newer homes.
No data.
I like this.
So do I.
26 grand. How many acres? 5 acres.
2011, $186,000. They bought it from HUD.
Huh.
Which is,
Did they
I
build
think, a
on
good
it?
sign.
This lot? Oh, 2002.
So it's a house which is not retail, 186 if they bought it from HUD. So houses are, let's just say, probably at least 200 is probably a real safe number. 2018, 30,000 for a piece of dirt, which is 5 acres, just like yours.
Wait, how much was that again?
It was 30,000.
Okay. Oh, it was sale price?
It was 2008.
Oh, great. That's good.
30,000. Sorry.
Okay.
18.
Shucks. The music came in too high, Danielle. That means I want to sell that for 26.
50, 170, 96. It's right. The sub's right here. 105, 60. I'm trying to find something wrong. 40, 60. These are all much smaller properties. 60 for 2, 60 for 3.
Okay, I'm in.
I think okay.
I'm in.
I do too. I like it. So great. This is beautiful. It's just got to confirm. It's just I hope this driveway is how you go see the property. Here's flood and here's wet. It's good.
Good.
Well, if that's the property. Because I clicked around a lot.
I think it's good.
Somewhere around here. I think it is too. I like it. I love it.
Yeah.
I wish it was 20, not 26, but 26 is going to be fine. I think you can easily sell for 50, 55, maybe 60 because of the acreage.
I think it's great. Good job. We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.